Woodpecker's Joiner Saddle Square packs a boatload of features into a convenient, compact layout tool you'll reach for whenever you're in your shop. Often in joinery, you need the face and edge of your stock marked at the same dimension. That's part of the fundamental design of the Joiner Saddle Square. Not only can you mark the face and edge square, but you can continue a 45-degree miter around the corner just as well. To assist you in joinery layout, we included scribing guides on 1/32 inch centers, or if you prefer metric, the scribing guides are on 1mm centers. Both ends and both edges are engraved with 1/32 inch scales, or 1mm scales on the metric model. Graduations on opposing sides run in opposite directions, right to left or left to right. There's always one that will fit into tight openings and reference from the correct end. You can also lay out most standard angles, always referenced off the intersection point of the two sides. The Joiner Saddle Square includes a wall-mountable racket to keep it right in plain sight and always ready to go. Compact, lightweight, versatile, and accurate. The Joiner Saddle Square will soon be your favorite layout tool. Order yours today.